One of my favorite Chrome extensions has to be Loom. It helps me as an administrator email quick videos to my staff, to the clients, and allows us to exchange ideas very, very quickly. It all records in real time, online, and as soon as you finish recording, it says, cool, here is the link for your recording. So let's just go and try this. Let's say add to Chrome. And you will have to sign in. Okay, let's click on this. And then you have to sign in. It says we can't record on this page, so let's get back to our emails. Okay, so let's click on this. And it says, what do you want to record? Firstly, it says, do you want to allow the webcam and the mic? So we can say allow and allow. The second thing it says is, do you want to do the full desktop or a current tab? So we can just do current tab if we want to just be working on this. And under advanced options, what do we want to do? Do we want to use the webcam? So I'm just going to say screen only here. Using the microphone. This is the one that is currently built into the computer. And I'm going to then say start recording. Gives you a countdown. And then you can say, hi there, we are now going to be doing a recording. Let's push compose. And we're going to look at a group called client 1. And here's client 1. And as you see, their individual addresses. And when you finish recording, you push on this again. And you notice it says the URL has been copied to our clipboard. Okay, so we're not going to look at that. You'll then see the video has been created. You can play the video. Hi there. We are now going to be doing a recording. Let's push compose. And that's perfect. And now we want to share this with people. So we can either copy the link, we can invite people, we can add a password if we want, and also we can trim it. So let's say there was talking at the end here. Addresses. And when you finish, so there's the talking. So I want to start trimming them, and I want to remove that, publish the changes, and you can play your video again. People can comment on your videos, and then you can even go to my videos, and you can put them into different folders. So let's say it's going to be work related. Let's say continue. I've done the extension. You can also download an app for your computer. I'll choose later. Okay. When someone watches my video, I'd like to be notified. So enable. This is allow. And what you'll notice is it says here, this is my one video, and I can push new folder, and I can say videos about G Suite. And I can move this into videos about G Suite. And then you can use this to have folders. There's free version and there's also a paid for version. And you can see the pricing on loom.com/pricing. So I hope that helps you. Loom is one of my favorite Chrome extensions because I can demonstrate things very, very quickly to huge amounts of people, and it works beautifully.